Hello again, I am Brian Rajot, Design Engineer of the UAK1000 Universal Kiosk. Today we will be discussing the digital input section of the UAK1000. First off, you need to open the lid and make sure the latch button clicks into place. When closing the lid, push the lid up slightly with your left hand and press the button in the latch area while pushing the latch center toward the back of the kiosk. Now lower the lid. Throughout the kiosk there are sections of terminal blocks for 24 volt DC and ground to be used to power the input sections. Usually devices come color-coded and the 24 volt DC is brown and gets hooked to the plus terminals, and the blue wire from the device will get hooked to the minus terminals. In this example, the fuse feeding the plus terminals comes from fuse block 1, the third channel. Refer to the training video T101 for programming the solid-state fusing blocks. Now the inputs are sectioned in 8 bits like the PLC. The cable is numbered and corresponds to the slot number S1 equal slot 1, the type I for digital input, the section A or B, and the input 0 to 7. Note that all cables are wired left to right using the resistor color code standard 0 to 7, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, white. Violet and gray are not used. Your sensor output wire is usually black and white, and it gets connected to these terminals 0 through 7. Your sensor output needs to be 24 volt when the item is activated. The label tells you what the function is. You will provide them to us before we ship your unit. And it tells you the tag in the PLC S2IB0. So S2IB0, you can search at any time and find all of the tags. What you provide, that turntable clockwise to pickup station, limit switch, that will go in here in your comments. These tags should always stay the same. And that corresponds to the input 0.0. That's on this first PLC slot A, 0 input. Well, that's enough on inputs now. Thank you, and I hope this has been informative for digital input wiring in the UAK1000 kiosk. Have a nice day.